We move through the city assuming we are entirely self-contained, operating with total biological independence. But human cells alone lack the necessary tools to sustain us. On their own, they cannot extract every nutrient from our food or fully manage our internal defenses. By zooming in past the surface of the skin, we find the biological systems that fill those gaps. This is the human microbiome, a densely populated community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These unseen life forms occupy every corner of our bodies, effectively transforming the human frame into a walking ecosystem. The densest population of this community lives in the digestive tract, a habitat that functions much like a complex underwater coral reef. When we eat, that food travels into this environment and begins to break down into its core components. Human cells absorb simple nutrients like sugars, but they leave behind complex dietary fibers that they are physically unable to process. Specialized gut microbes step in to consume these leftovers through fermentation. This diagram shows the exchange. Microbes consume the fiber and emit the specific chemical compounds the human body requires. The body absorbs these outputs immediately, using them to feed and repair the cells of the intestinal wall. Without this microscopic labor force, a significant portion of our dietary fuel would be wasted, leaving our own tissues starved for resources. These microorganisms also maintain a constant physical presence alongside the human immune cells stationed within the gut. This relationship is a delicate ecological calibration to maintain harmony, rather than a simplistic battle to boost one side over the other. These local interactions in the gut eventually transition into a system of long-distance communication. Scientists call this the gut-brain axis, the primary biological highway connecting the digestive system, hormones, and the nervous system. As the diagram illustrates, chemical signals generated by gut microbes travel up the nervous system directly to the brain. This is a constant two-way dialogue, with the host and the microbiome exchanging signals in real time. This connection gives the hidden ecosystem a direct line of communication to your primary control center, influencing your body's overall biological state. Like any physical landscape, the human microbiome changes based on the inputs it receives, especially our daily diet. This chart tracks the result of those inputs. Whole foods like vegetables and legumes drive microbial diversity up, while highly processed foods lead to a population collapse. Factors like genetics, age, and medication also play a role, ensuring that no two human microbiomes are ever identical. Each microbiome acts as a unique biological fingerprint, dynamically shaped by daily environmental choices. These specialized microscopic communities operate with the complexity and scale of a bustling, interconnected city. While the city is a metaphor, the continuous exchange of resources and information within us is a scientific reality. Returning to the normal physical scale of the human body, the vast, complex microscopic world completely disappears from view. Every person represents a lifelong partnership between human cells and an enormous microscopic world. A single reflection in the mirror is actually the outward face of a vast hidden civilization.